Hi everybody who joined me today. I'm really happy to see you all there. I'm happy that you choose Site.pro Builder and you are interested in our development strategy. Today I'm going to talk about our current releases, about e-commerce updates, about website import from different site builders, and about interactive guide, interactive help, which will help you to, as hosting provider, to reduce support amount and which will help to your clients to create websites. Some of these updates already exist in Site.pro Builder, and you are able to promote these updates to customers, and some of these updates will appear this month. This is our three main subjects for today. And let's start from the first one, from the e-commerce updates. We implemented a lot of new necessary options to Site.pro e-commerce, which our existing clients ask from us. We improved opportunity to add more necessary information about Site.pro Builder. About selling items. Now your clients are able to create any amount of attributes for each item. The difference between early version and updated version is that your clients could add just limited information to the store before. They could add just item name, item price, code, short description, and one image. And now they have ability to describe the items as they want. Let me show how it looks like in real life. I will share with my test online store. This is a store for electronic devices. And we can manage item description, item attributes via store properties by clicking with the right click and selecting properties menu item. This is the list of items which we can sell, and this is all information about our item. All items can have different attributes, or all items can have the same attributes. It depends on your store. I'll show you today the general case when all items have the same attributes. If you want to manage attributes list to add new or to change existing, you just click edit and you see that our items, selling items, already have some attributes. If you need to add additional attributes, you just click add field. An additional attribute will appear in your online store. We need to select the type for our attribute. It can be one of the type of field. It can be one of these. And don't forget to add values for your attributes. Click apply, and your item has this amount of attributes. It can be any amount, as I said before. We don't limitate you. You can describe your selling items the best way. Just click apply, and your attributes appear here in this list, and of course on website on the items page. Click apply, and this is all. The next our update for e-commerce is customizable filter. Before, we didn't provide opportunity to create filter at all, and now your clients can create store with different filters and give ability to the website visitors to find the items the easiest way. Let's return to our demo online store, and I'll show you how to manage filter. You can do it the same way, just clicking on properties, select item list, and decide which attributes should appear in filter. For example, it can be year and color. Also, we need to decide will this attribute will be searchable, just searchable, or it will be interval. Click apply, and let's check the preview. You see that color appeared in our filter and year appeared in our filter. If we will try to filter, we see that only white elements, only white selling items appeared in our filter on our website. The third very important update for our customers in e-commerce is Customizable View. What does it mean, Customizable View? You can select the view mode which you want and which you think is the best for your selling items. It can be SAMS view mode like you see now, and it can be table view mode. Each view mode is created for each category. We know that we can categorize our categories, and we can assign different view mode for different categories. I will show how you can do it. You can do it the same way via properties, but now we are working with our categories because all items, all selling items belongs to some category. For example, we can select the view mode for fonts SAMS. For accessories, we can select table modes. Click apply and let's check how it's look on your website. Fonts have SAMS mode and accessories have table mode. Site.pro Site Builder has the widest choice of payment gateways, which our clients can use to accept payments for their goods. At the moment, we provide 18 payment gateways, and few new are in test mode at the moment and will be launched soon, this and next month. We try to cover all the world with payment gateways and make possible to sell goods everywhere. It's very easy to connect necessary payment gateway in your online store. Let's return to our online store. But in this case, we need to manage shopping cart. We click properties on shopping cart, and this is all payment gateways which are available inside Site.pro Site Builder. You can choose any you need and enter required information. For example, we want to accept payments using Skrill and PayPal. We enter our mails in these payment gateways and apply. Afterward, we can see in our online store, in our shopping cart, ability to accept payments with using PayPal button and Skrill. The same way you can connect all payment gateways which you saw before. Our update, and not the biggest one, but very important, is ability to use Google Fonts in Site.pro Site Builder. Our clients ask us a lot of times to provide more fonts in Site Builder. And before we needed to add just few fonts, we could add just few fonts for some clients, but anyway, it was not very big amount of fonts which our clients could use. Then we decided that we need to connect some font library, and we chose the Google Fonts, probably one of the biggest font library, which is now available inside Builder. It means that your clients can use any of Google Fonts creating their website. I'll show you how you can select the font which you want to use on your website. Just click Styles, select the style which you want to modify, select the font. It can be existing style or can be your custom new style. Select the font, edit font, and this is the full library of Google fonts which are available for your clients. Select any font you want, just click Add, and this font appeared in your site builder. Click Apply, and your client is able to use this new Google font. Now I am going to talk about very important and most interesting update in our very important and most interesting option in our site builder. We already created the migration from other site builder, but we didn't announce it, and we didn't promote because it's just beta version. But we know the problem with our clients, with our hosting providers, that probably most part of you have several site builder. And even if you want to change one of these site builders to Site.pro, it's really hard to do. It's a big headache for you because you know that all old websites and old clients created websites with old site builders, and it's very difficult to force them to switch to a new one because they need to rebuild the website from zero. And we got huge amount of requests to migrate websites which were created with different site builders to Site.pro Site Builder. This is why we implemented this option. We created migration script which can move website from any website created with any site builder to Site.pro. The best way this migration works for CM for all site builder. The accuracy of quality is about 100%. With other builders, the quality is a little bit worse, but it's about 70–90% of accuracy. It means that any way you will migrate a website, maybe not all elements will exist, but we are working on this process. And if somebody is interested in this migration process, you will be able to contact me after this webinar via sales@site.pro mail, and we will discuss with you conditions and terms. I would like you to show how it works in real life. I will show you a short video. This option is available in Site Builder. It's a beta. You just need to enter your domain and click the button Import Website. And website with the domain we entered, so Site Builder, will appear in a few minutes in your Site.pro Site Builder. You see that we have full website and it's already responsive. We moved website created with CM for all site builder, so Site.pro Site Builder and client doesn't need to rebuild website from zero. Maybe he will need to correct some elements, but it will take really short time comparing with the rebuilding site builder from 0 point, or from the comparing with the rebuilded website from 0 point. Also, we provide opportunity to migrate a lot of domains at the same time for our clients. At the moment, it's only for our enterprise clients who has from 15 IPs. But anyway, if you decide to migrate a website, please contact me via mail. Our very important update for this month, which will appear in October. Probably part of this update will appear in the middle of October, and everything will appear till the end of the month. It's our interactive guide. Our interactive help, which help our clients to create website and which explain how works each element. This guide is called interactive because you are able to stop it any moment and continue to create a website by yourself without helping. I would like to present it and to show how it works. This interactive guide is already ready, and we just click play. And we show how to use any element, how to modify it, what can we do with each element. And the same guide we created for all our elements. You will be able to see how to create website from zero and to use all elements. You can stop it at any moment and you can continue to watch. You can switch, you can click next and watch each step separately, or you can continue to watch all video. What is the most interesting thing about this interactive guide? You see just the English version, but this guide, this help, will be translated to all languages. And in the bottom of Site Builder, you will see your logo and your branded Site Builder. It will be a completely white label, and if you change the interface for Site Builder, you will see this. You will see in interactive guide your builder, not Site.pro. This is all updates which I wanted to present you for today, and I am waiting for your questions now. My email is sales.pro, sales@site.pro. You can ask all questions. You can write all questions to this mail. It's not only about migration process. You can ask all questions you want. After this webinar, I will be happy to answer to all your questions. Talking about e-commerce update, don't be worried. We are going to implement soon more updates. Just a lot of our clients ask us about delivery option, and for sure it will appear soon in our e-commerce. This is not all updates which we implemented till now, just its biggest updates in Site.pro e-commerce. Okay, Omar, I would like to know even everything is already translated into Spanish language. If you mean translation of interactive guide, yes, it will be translated to Spanish too. We will launch interactive guide in all languages which support Site.pro, Site Builder. The shop. Any plan for slideshow? Do you mean slideshow like gallery? If you mean galleries for full width, yes, we are planning to have such galleries. We are planning to have slideshow. If you are talking about something else, please clarify your question. I will investigate. I will investigate this question about WordPress slideshow, and I will be able to answer this question after this webinar. Just write me this question to email and I will answer you. Will you soon implement text with each picture in the gallery? Yeah, this option will be implemented too. We will have some updates for our gallery or this month. In about 2 weeks, we will update our galleries. I don't want to promise exact term that in 2 weeks we will have this update, but for sure we will have galleries updates in October, and you will be able to assign the text for each image in gallery. Julian, how about moving elements? Can you clarify what do you mean moving elements? Where to move elements? I will need to investigate this question about JavaScript slideshow with my team, with my technical team. Please write your question to my mail and I will be able to write the answer you as soon as possible. Usually I answer the same day. Just I need to consult with my technical team. More questions do you have? Do you plan to add more payment options for future, like WeChat payment? With WeChat, we tried to implement this option, and we have it in our roadmap. Our technical department should investigate the ability to add WeChat, but yes, we are planning to add more options, more payment gateways to our site builder. As I said during the presentation, we try to cover all the world with payments and provide the ability to our customers to accept payments for their selling items in all over the world. This is why, yes, we plan to have more payment gateways. Everybody of you are able to write me via mail with their requirements. And if you are talking not only about WeChat, you can write the list payment gateways which you need. Will you add more templates, Henry? Talking about templates, we don't have a goal to create more templates. We have a goal to have more templates. We build our templates a few times per year, and we constantly work with our templates. If some hosting provider needs to have more templates, he's able to create these templates by himself. We provide instruction in license page. It's a very easy process, and it takes about from 3 to 6 hours for one template. Yes, probably during the time we're creating more and more templates, but we don't have a goal to have thousands of templates. Because if you compare some site builder who has a lot of templates, you can check that most part of them are very old and it's impossible to use such template creating your website. This is why we are really interested in quality of our templates and we are improving them all the time, but we don't have a goal to increase it till thousands. Any plan for marketplace? We're not going to sell, we don't have plans to sell some plugins at the moment, but we have kind of marketplace in your license page. You're able to select plugins which you can provide to your customers via your license. Just click on the plugin and it will appear or will disappear inside Builder. We have a big amount of plugins and you are able to switch off or to disable some of them. But marketplace, if you mean to sell some plugins, at the moment we don't have such plans. Can we add own templates? Yes, you can add own templates. It depends on your license type. If you have premium, it is impossible, but if you have enterprise license, you can create your own templates using instruction in your license page. There is the link how to create custom templates. Read instruction, it will take till 2 minutes and you will be able to create your custom template. You don't need to have developers for template creation. Just normal person without any knowledge can create templates. It's just to create a website the same way you can create a new template, and you can have template which you will provide only to your customers and nobody from your competitors will have the same templates. More questions? Everybody of you can write your questions after this webinar to my mail and I will be happy to answer. Thank you everybody for your time. If you have some ideas, requests, wishes, and so on, just write to my email sales@site.pro and I will be happy to contact you. Thank you everybody for your time.